Today we're going to finish off our self-portraits that we started last week for Art to Remember. If you're working from home, keep in mind that it is perfectly okay for you to do this entire project on Sketchbook, or if you don't have watercolor paints to paint the background, you can certainly color the background with crayons. Remember, this is a self-portrait, so you want to be coloring it so that it looks like you. And when you're working with crayons, sometimes you can find colors that match your skin or your hair eye color well. Sometimes you don't. So you'll either have to find whatever is closest to you, or sometimes you can combine colors. For example, if your hair is between a brown and a yellow, you can layer brown and yellow together. So for this next step, we're going to start off by using crayons to color your self-portrait. And since it's for Art to Remember, you want to make sure you're coloring neat and dark. So I'm going to pick colors that match me as close as I can, and I will fast forward so this goes a little bit quicker. Now when it comes time to color your shirt, don't feel like you have to color it exactly like the shirt you're wearing. Pick a color that you like or what you would think would look good and just color it that way. It doesn't have to match the clothes that you're currently wearing.
I like this blue color, I think it looks nice. Color in my t-shirt, I want to make sure I get the whole entire t-shirt. Color it in nice and solid and neat. Edges and corners of shapes. And I think I'm going to leave my apron white, but I'm going to do my letters on my clothes primary colors. Because that reminds me of art. Us art teachers like doing the primary colors a lot. And dark blue. That reminds me a lot of art. Primary colors. And you know what, I think I will color my apron in. I wear a black apron a lot, so let me color my apron black. Inside my letters. There we go. Get all those little bitty spots back in there. Okay, now that I'm done coloring, I can set out for painting.
Okay, now I'm ready to paint. You can either do the background one solid color or you can fade into different colors. It's up to you. And remember, if you don't have watercolor paints, you can color the entire background as well. So I'm going to pick a couple of colors and I'll speed it up so it goes a little bit quicker. As I paint my background, I'm thinking about going all the way to the edges and corners and painting it in nice and solid, so I don't have a lot of white spaces in my background. Also, since you're using watercolor paint, you want to make sure that you keep adding water to your paints so it doesn't dry out. Okay, that looks pretty good. Once I'm done coloring or painting the background, I can snap a photo, use Autodesk Sketchbook to put my name on it, and then I'm ready to post it to Canvas. Have fun. Take care.